Cut.
The strikers are gaining strong support from other black spokesmen. Among these is perhaps Australia's best-known Aborigine, one-time film and television star, Robert Tatawali.
What we want is what everyone wants. The right to a decent life. Respect. The Gurindji, they say that. It's not about more money. People say I'm privileged because I was taken up by them film people. That's not a privilege. I earned that. That's all we want. Not charity. We want the right to make our own way in life, like everyone else. Mistakes and all.